What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to talk about Lucid Group Incorporated. Once again, that's Lucid Group Incorporated with the ticker symbol LCID. Guys, in this video, we're going to talk about the recent news regarding Lucid Motors and also their recent SEC filing. Now, if you guys like the information and analysis that I'll be providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get going. Lucid, by the time this recording, closed at the price of $18.89. It is slightly down in the after hours. As you can see here, if we scroll down and check on the stats, it has a day range of $17.50 up to $19.05 today, and it has a public float of 534.11 million, shares outstanding of 1.65 billion, guys. Take note. Okay, so also the short interest for this stock is 111.08 million, and percentage of short floated is 20.80%. Also, we can take note, guys, that this stock has a year-to-date performance of negative 50.85%. So basically speaking, this stock is red across the board. This stock has 570 total institutional owners, 520 long and 22 short only, and of course, combination of 27 of long and short. If we scroll down here, okay, so these are the institutional owners that currently owns Lucid Motors. So these are the institutions that just added to their shares, and there's a lot, like a couple of them that has initiated new positions, specifically the Nasdaq 100, high net worth, all these. So this information can be found in fintel.io. So guys, yesterday I talked about a huge order from Saudi Arabia that Lucid has just received, an order that gives it some substantial breathing room. The government of Saudi Arabia has just ordered 100,000 Lucid vehicles over the next 10 years. The initial purchase commitment is 50,000 vehicles on top of the reservations they currently have. The government also have an option to buy another 50,000 over the same period. So today we have an article from Forbes Advisor. The article says that how to buy Lucid Motors LCID stock. So if you scroll down, this is just an article telling you, look for a broker, look at their financials. So their financials is not really that very good. Like I said, this is a new company, and I think this company looks very, very promising in the future. And also, the important part of this article is alternative ways to invest in Lucid Motors. So this article would also discuss the 70 ETFs that currently provide exposure to Lucid Motors. So you guys could check that out. One of them is Alps Energy Clean ETF, Invesco QQQ Trust, and Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. So these are some of the institutional owners that you might want to take a look at. Now, if you don't want to invest directly to Lucid Motors, you can use these ETFs for you to be able to get exposure to that specific stock. The reason I made this video today is to inform everybody about the 3 SEC filing that Lucid Group Incorporated just made today. Okay, so there's 3 of them. It says here, post-effective amendments for registration statement, additional if definitive proxy soliciting materials, and other definitive proxy statements. So guys, we will double check these 3 filings. We'll click on the first one, and if we scroll down here, we can actually see that this is a letter to stockholders by Peter Rawlinson, the CEO himself. So he's saying here that as we approach the culmination to our very first year as a public company, I want to take a moment to reflect our modest beginnings, how far we've come, a few important milestones along the way, and our vision for the future. If we scroll down here, guys, it says here, because our cars are so efficient, they are capable of going further for a given size of battery pack. Our future variants, such as Lucid Air Pure, can then achieve a competitive range with a smaller battery than our competitors. This becomes a fundamental commercial advantage, as the battery pack is the single most expensive item in an EV. Furthermore, if the world becomes constrained by nickel, lithium, or cell quantities in general, we will be able to manufacture more cars than our competitors for a given supply. So guys, as you can see, Peter Rawlinson is a sweet talker. I have seen YouTube videos before that saying, even anything is something that Peter Rawlinson can actually sell to you. So yeah, good looking guy, a sweet talker. But yeah, this is the first part of their SEC filing. If you scroll up here, this is the additional definitive proxy soliciting materials, Rule 14A materials. So if you scroll down here, this is the Lucid Group Incorporated annual meetings of stockholders that will be held on June 9, 2022. It's a virtual annual meeting. Okay, so if you guys want to get the more information on that, you can go to the SEC filing. And the most important one, ladies and gentlemen, is this post-effective amendments for registration statement filing. Okay, so it's loading. Okay, let's see how this thing goes. So guys, this document is very long. If we scroll down here, it says here subject to completion dated April 28, 2022. And it says here up to 44,350,000 shares of Class A common stock and up to 1,195,006,622 shares of Class A common stock, up to 44,350,000 warrants to purchase Class A common stock offered by the selling security holder. So guys, let's try to break this down real quick. So I have a Word document for everybody because like I said, that specific document is very long. So this prospectus relates to the issuance of us by an aggregate of up to 44,350,000 shares of our Class A common stock, par value 0.001 per share, consisting of 42,850,000 shares of Class A common stock issuable upon exercise of private placement warrants. So guys, they basically speaking that what they're saying is they are issuing this amount of shares, and on top of that, they're also issuing 1,195,006,662 shares that they will be issuing from time to time. On top of that, they're also issuing warrants, something like that. Okay, so if you want, you can go to the SEC website and double check. Once again, this is a share offering effective today. So historically speaking, in the technical analysis of this specific stock, Lucid Group, LCID. So as you can see here in daily time frame, we have a very huge support at around this area, $18 and change. So once it goes and touches $18 and change, it retraces. Okay, another touch point here, it goes and retraces, and another touch point here, it would retrace once again. Take note guys, in your MACD, we're a little bit overextended in your 4-hour time frame. So in this area, specifically on April 26, so we got a little bit oversold here, but we bounced back. And if we come back to the time frame period, guys, we are in the same scenario as around January 18. So as soon as we got into that area where we got a little bit oversold, we bounce back. So that will be the increase. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm expecting a bounce back in this specific security tomorrow, as we have a lot of good news coming out of Lucid Group Incorporated. It's a good time to definitely load up shares on Lucid Group Incorporated, LCID. Also, if we break that down in a 1-hour time frame, guys, you can clearly see that all of the bullish indicators is right above your VWAP, meaning we are about to blow up again, because like I said a while ago, we just touched this strong support at around a little bit $18 and change, around $17 and almost in between 17 and 18. As soon as we get to that, it will definitely bounce. So one thing for sure, what we need tomorrow is a lot of volume, not a lot of volume. So as soon as we get a good volume for tomorrow, I am very positive that Lucid Group Incorporated will definitely bounce back once again. So the current volume we have for today is 25.11 with an average volume of 25.69. So that's really cool for us to be able to get some price action. 100% we need volume, as you can see in the order flow distribution here. So we have a lot of people actually buying rather than selling, and that's really cool. So guys, once again, if you like the information and analysis that I provided you in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Once again, this is your boy Don Leo Trades. I love you all. Peace out.